Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Quite a lot of price movements since my last video. That was on the 26th of May, so pretty much 2 weeks ago. Let's take a look at what I told you in that video, and then we take a look at the QNT chart. And the minimum retracement that such a wave 4 needs to do is the 28.6%, no, sorry, the 23.6% FIB level here at $72. We reached that. So the wave 4 could theoretically be complete. What would rather confirm that is that we actually moved already down here and made a lower low today. Yeah, we actually made a lower low. We did make a lower low, and we actually also make lower highs. I mean, from that point of view, it could really be that that wave 4 is finished and we're already in our last move down here in a wave 5. Now that last wave 5 also will consist of 5 waves in itself. So last wave down, $65, 56 or even $57. So I think also here the assumption that the wave 4 was already finished was working out. Was working out. Since then we haven't made any higher highs really. No, we have made here overall further downside, and we have even crossed below the previous swing low here at $60.72 just yesterday. So very well, you could see here on the chart a descending wedge and descending wedge, a descending triangle. Well, maybe even a descending wedge. I mean, there's different, or even a channel. There's different ways of drawing it. I'd rather draw it as a horizontal line because we had support here and here. In the end, it doesn't matter. It was broken, and we are following our assumption here to the downside that we are indeed on our way to make lower lows. So now that we broke below that support level, we dropped quite a lot, and we are on our way to the low of the 12th of May, pretty much here at 46.82. I think now that we came to that level, there's a good chance that we actually reach it. So this could change. Yeah, this could change as soon as we move back into this triangle here. But as long as we stay below that previous swing low of $60 pretty much, the downside is pretty much going ahead. Yeah, I mean, the momentum could shift when we find our way back into the triangle and maybe even make a higher high. So what I would want to see to really break the overall downtrend would at least be a higher high compared to that major one here, which is at $74, and even better would be above the swing high. Well, here, $80. Let's call it $80, the wave 4 high. Then we have a good chance that the overall low could be in. Yeah, because technically the low for Quant can be in. We talked about that overall here on the Quant chart, QNT, in this wave 2 in which we currently are. So wave 1, it was Quant's first wave 1 here to the upside on the 12th of September. I think it was 11th of September 21. Since then it has been correcting down in an ABC move. Don't know where that B wave has disappeared to. Oh, it's up there. A, B, C down. And in this C wave, we are here making 5 waves down. We are in the 5th wave. And we looked at the 5th wave here in more detail, here in yellow. And yeah, in this yellow 5th wave down there, which is part of the wave 2, we are currently also in the 5th wave. So we're in the 5th wave of the 5th wave, which should mean, or which, yeah, really shows us with a high probability that we are on our way to make the lower low. The last low, this could be the last low of this overall downtrend. Now, we don't know how long the 5th wave will go. There are certain assumptions, but it's not 100%. Yeah, one target would be, for example, one target would be the 100% extension of the wave 1. Now I can already tell you that would mean of the wave 1, that would mean we get down to $8. I don't find that a realistic price target. I have to be very honest with you. Another target, and there are different targets, and that is a bit of a problem, right? There are different targets. Another target would be because this doesn't make sense at all. Can take the yellow wave one, yeah, and look at what would that mean in terms of the extensions to that yellow wave 4, and that would even give us a negative value. So that doesn't make any sense at all as well. So what are we doing then? Well, I think we just have to look and see what's going to happen, and all we can do really here is to count the waves when we're coming down here. And I think it looks like we might have already made here. Yeah, it's difficult. This could have been the wave 1, this the wave 2, and we might now be in the wave 3 here. So we are going to take it from there. I'll keep you updated. The next target for the bears would be that $46 level here, 46.78. That is the 88.7% fib level here. I've got it as 48.50, but it's a bit of a zone anyway. Sort of in that region here, the 88.7% fib level will be major support. Technically, I would expect another lower low. Bear in mind, from a higher level point of view, as I just showed you, it doesn't need to make another lower low. Yeah, bigger picture point of view, the area between the 88.7% fib level and the 78.6% fib level is, for such a correction, absolutely sufficient. We don't need to make a lower low. It can all be done already. Yeah, we've come into the target area. We've completed the minimum requirements for such a wave 2 correction. It's just that if we count it in such a way, the Elliott wave count, especially the short time frame count, would suggest there will be another lower low. And that is what we keep observing here. If I see anything changing in the chart, I will definitely let you know. But for now, the forecast is working out. It could now be, we already see here a green engulfing candle on the 1 hour chart. That's fine. Could be that we retest now this trend line from below. That would mean a move up to $60, and then ideally for our primary scenario, a rejection. If we get back into the triangle, then the daily candle isn't even closed yet. Then it could mean that it was only a fake out to the downside, and we need to keep observing it going forward. But yeah, very interesting day here today in the crypto market. Very interesting day. Bitcoin even moved briefly below the 28.6K level. Very key support for Bitcoin, very key support. And we see a lot of volatility today, which is great because last Saturday was a bit boring, but today is actually quite an interesting and volatile day, which is fantastic. Always bear in mind, it's Saturday, it's weekend, lower volume, not necessarily lower volatility, but lower volume. And just be aware of that, and that moves that can start might not end as they seem. So it's a bit unpredictable on the weekend. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.